Get out. Where's your hide? Where's your hide? Everyone slipped in the closet. It's there now. Hide here. Hope she won't find me. Where are you?
Ding dong, I know you can hear me. Open up the door. I only wanna play a little ding dong. You can't keep me waiting. It's already too late for you to try another way. I see you through the window. Oh, I follow together. I can sense your horror. So I'd like to see it closer. Ding dong, here I come to find you. Hurry up and run. Let's play a little game and have fun. Ding dong, where is it you've gone to? Do you think you won? Our game of hide and seek has just begun. I hear your footsteps passing loudly through the hallways. I can hear your sharp breath. You're not very good at hiding. Just wait, you can't hide from me. 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 Knock, knock, I am at your door now. I am coming in. No need for me to ask permission. Knock, knock, I'm inside your room now. Where is it you hid? Our game of hide and seek's about to end. I'm coming closer, looking underneath your bed. But you're not here, I wonder. Could you be inside the closet? Ding dong, I have found you. Ding dong, you were hiding here. Now you're it. Ding dong, finally found you here. Now you're it. Ding dong, looks like I have won. Now you're it. Ding dong, pay the consequence. Ding dong, looks like I have won. Now you're it. Ding dong, pay the consequence.
Hi, this is Google Puppy. Žiūrėkite, buvo pas Google Puppy ir maža, vadino, jinai. Šiaip plasterinas šiandien nėra juodas. Tiesiog sustačiau tokį ekraną, taip kraupiau. Peilis ne tokios spalvos juodas. Negyvas žmogus, kurį matėte pradžioje, buvo... Paėmė žuvo. Ateit. Andžiūriui patinka šitą dainą. Aš jau milijoną kartų girdėjau ir jinai vadinasi Hide and Seek. Jeigu norės pažiūrėti, aš paliksiu šitos dainos, būtent šito video, čia yra kitokiu balsu, man atrodo. Ne, čia yra tikrų balsu ir aš jums paliksiu tame aprašyme, paliksiu video tą nuorodą. Tiesiog paspauskite nuorodas ir nueisit iš karto į tą video. Žodžiu.